Hello and welcome back to GW Add-ons. Just wrapped up a massive event? Completed a large training course? The thought of manually creating hundreds or even thousands of certificates can be daunting. But what if you could generate and send them all with a single click? Smart Certificates makes it a reality with its powerful bulk generation feature. Smart Certificates bulk generation allows you to process all your existing Google Forms responses and generate their corresponding certificates in one go. It's the ultimate time saver for high-volume scenarios. Before running bulk generation, ensure your Smart Certificates add-on is fully configured with your chosen template, mapped placeholders, and mail settings. Once that's done, open the add-on from your Google form and navigate to the Run on Form Submit tab. Stop dreading large-scale certificate events. With Smart Certificates bulk generation, you can ensure everyone gets their due recognition fast. Install Smart Certificates today and experience unparalleled automation. Visit gwaddons.com or find us on the Google Workspace Marketplace.